Summer Holly by me, Carol Ann Henderson. Holding court amidst the labyrinth of tall trees and thickets of bramble is the ornamental leatherleaf holly. I affectionately refer to this striking ornamental as the summer holly. Crowned with edible berries, this is recognized by many as the Oregon grape holly or Beal's barberry. Hardy and ever-growing, this prickly wonder mushrooms throughout the dense woodland, the thicket of the Smoky Mountains. This exotic beauty is a favorite of mine for its sheer strength, beauty, and tenacity as a cheerful, hardy, perennial, evergreen grower. And I always know spring has arrived when a new bunch of the tart berries burst forth cascading from the top of this handsome, hardy leatherleaf. Have a magical spring day. Bye for now.